Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Wix, how to edit full menu. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can just simply go ahead and click on my link down below. Now guys, in order for you to do this, you can just simply go ahead and click on these pages and menu on the left side over here on the screen. And from here, you should be able to see here your menu. So guys, from here, this is all my menu. And as you can see, we have shop, about, privacy, policy, and more. So as you can see, when I drag it down below, you should be able to see here the about is the first one. And guys, when a page is not visible like this one, you can just simply click on these three dots and click in show in menu. And as you can see, it will show over here. Now from here, if you want to add another page, just simply go ahead and click on add page over here. And now from here, guys, you should be able to have here multiple templates to choose from. And on the left side, you should be able to see multiple categories as well. So now once you have selected your preferred page, just simply click on add page. And from here, it will automatically add and just simply name the page and click on done. And from here, when you drag the page on the right side, as you can see, the home will be connected to about. So guys, from here, as you can see, you will have a subtopic. So now make sure to click on save over here at the top right and make sure to publish it as well. And as you can see, when we go to the preview, guys, over here on the top right, you should be able to see something like this. So when they go to the home, as you can see, a drop down will show up and you should be able to see here the about page. And there you go. That's how the menu page works. And that is the basic way to describe it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.